to a 1,000-year-old tree, a human lifespan is minuscule. It's a story that started from seed to sapling and continued as the centuries rolled by. The Renaissance, the World Wars, all the ancestors that our recollection allows. Through all of it, this tree was out there, slowly charging upwards. The emergent giants of Amazonia tower above some of the last unexplored wilderness on Earth. Scientists have found that over 50% of the life in a rainforest exists in the canopy. It's one of the final frontiers, a place where reptiles, amphibians, birds, mammals live completely out of sight, high above our heads. Up in these moss-bearded branches, the centuries allow for complex communities to form, and the titanic trees of Amazonia become skyscrapers of life. It's another world up there. Over the last 18 years, this wilderness has become home. The Madre de Dios region of Peru is known internationally as the biodiversity capital, the crown jewel of the Western Amazon. Living and working with indigenous communities has allowed me to develop a unique relationship with the people of this forest. Together, we've launched studies into keystone species, like some of the largest reptilian predators on this planet, and also been able to shine a light into the complex and unseen worlds that exist beneath the canopy. A jaguar's eyes in the jungle night can change your life. Camera traps have allowed us a stunning window into this world. Some of the rarest species on Earth call this forest home. It's a place of giants and of sensory savants. A place where mothers and their young navigate the greatest natural battlefield on Earth. For these creatures and their families, survival is far from guaranteed. This forest is their entire world. And that's why exploring the uncharted tributaries of the Upper Amazon is a chance to walk parts of the jungle where from year to year, century to century, no one goes. These hallowed hallways are corridors beneath the canopy, passageways back in time, to a place where the rivers run clean and the trees are kings, and life is everywhere. It's the greatest proliferation of terrestrial biodiversity on our planet, not just today, but in the entire fossil record. Out here, there's simply more life than anywhere else. Science and spirituality remain beautifully braided. This is biological poetry. The teeming matrix of interconnected life, joining in concert to form the raw reality that we inhabit. You can read in a textbook that the Amazon rainforest is the largest in the world, but out here you can see the things that they don't teach. You can watch the jungle breathe. 20 trillion liters of water a day leave up off the branches, and at the spark of morning it's possible to see it with your own eyes. Rivers flowing through the sky. Swirling currents, fast-flowing streams, all charging across Amazonia. And so after years of walking these remote corners of the last endless forest, this much I know is true, that the truth between the trees is that all eyes speak the same language. And that if the animals could speak, it would be to remind us that they were here long before we were, transporting pollen, ferrying seeds, that the ancient trees and the flying rivers and the world that we know is only possible because they made it. I've learned that my heart is happiest when I'm immersed in this miraculous world, when I'm days or even weeks from civilization, jungle from horizon to horizon, where the call of the wild still rings loud across the ranges. There's a beautiful, timeless certainty that's as warm and as reassuring as a hug from God, that this is something crucial to all of us. This is where we're from, and like some great wild cathedral, it's a place where we are reminded in shocking clarity that the universe isn't just a place, but an event unfolding around us. That the river and the sky flow through us, and that it is a gift of historic proportions, that we exist at a moment in time when there's still a chance to save these sacred headwaters.